Hi, hello, I am Rupa. Today I would like you to discuss you about problems of molarity based on tricks. It is part 1. Some problems I have discussed in this video and some problems I will discuss in the next video. This is part 1 based on the tricks which I have explained before. Based on those tricks I have prepared some problems which are given in the previous exams. First of all, if you observe trick based on trick 1, if you observe one problem, first problem, if you observe this, what volume of water must be added in 100 ml of 0.02 molar H2SO4 solution so that its molarity becomes 0.002 molar? Based on the first trick, for example, if you observe the solution for this, see, solution for this is here. For example, if you take one beaker, in this beaker, first of all, 0.02 molar H2SO4 solution is present. 0.2 molar H2SO4 solution is present in this 100 ml of water. That means 100 ml of water is added. In the other beaker, if you take, in the other beaker, molarity it becomes 0.002 molar. That means from 0.02 to 0.002 molar solution. To convert from 0.02 molar to 0.002 molar solution, how much of water is added in the second beaker? It is a question. What volume of water must be added in 100 ml of 0.02 molar H2SO4 solution so that its molarity becomes 0.002 molar? For example, if you observe this first trick, this is the first trick which I have already discussed in the first video. Solution is diluted with water. When solution is diluted with water, the formula is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Here M1 is nothing but, here in this question, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 is 0.02 molar. V1 is 100 ml. M2 is 0.002 molar. V2 we don't know. Have to find out the video. And this answer I will written in this way: 2 by 100 into 100. This can be written as, here after decimal 2 digits are there, so I have kept here 2 by 100 into 100 is equal to 2 by 1000 into V2. After decimal 3 digits are there, so I have kept here 1000. It can be written as 2 by 100 into 100 cross multiply into 2 into 1000. Here, sorry, V2 is 1000 ml. If you mark this 1000 ml, the answer is wrong. So we have to write, that means initially 100 ml is there, finally V2 is 1000 ml. So that V2 minus V1 we get 1000 minus 100 ml we get 900 ml. That means here V2 minus V1 is 900 ml. 900 ml of water is diluted in 0.02 molar solution. This is the first question solution. First question solution. For example, if you observe the second question, see the second question. Here, based on trick 2, I have prepared second question which it was given in previous year question paper in Eamcet exams. 400 ml of 1 molar H2SO4 solution is mixed with 600 ml of 2 molar H2SO4 solution. Calculates its resulting molarity. This question is based on second trick. See the second trick. What is the second trick here? When same solutes are mixed, we have to find out this. MR is equal to N1 plus N2 by VR, or it can be written as M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to MR VR. So I will do like this. See this question. Second question solution. Second question solution, if you observe here, M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to MR VR. That means when same solutes are mixed, here H2SO4, here H2SO4, here same solutes are mixed, the formula is this one. Here M1 is 1 molar, H2SO4. V1 is 600 ml. Sorry, 400 ml. V1 is 400 ml. M2 is 2 molar. V2 is 600 ml is equal to MR. Resulting molarity is we don't know. We have to, here resulting volume is here 400 ml and 600 ml. 400 ml plus 600 ml is nothing but 1000 ml. Here 400 plus 1200 is equal to MR into 1000. Here 400 plus 1200 is 1600 by 1000 is equal to MR. We get 1.6 molarity. That means the resulting molarity is 1.6 molar. Based on the second trick only, I have given the problem to you. Based on the third trick. What is the third trick? See, when non-reacting solutes are mixed, the formula is, when non-reacting solutes are mixed, the formula is M1, we have to find out the M1 V1, M2 V2, then we have to find out the concentration of ion. See the third question. Here, see the third question. 100 ml of 0.1 molar AgNO3 and 300 ml of 0.2 molar NaNO3 and 600 ml of 0.3 molar Na2SO4 are mixed together. Calculate concentration of NO3 minus ion and Na plus ion. Based on this trick 3 only, we have to find out the concentration of ions easily. See the answer. See the solution for this. Here, we know that number of moles of AgNO3. Here, number of moles of AgNO3. If you write, here we know that number of moles is equal to M into V. Here M is 0.1 molar into volume is 100 ml. We get 10 millimoles. 10 millimoles. Similarly, NaNO3. N moles of NaNO3 and be written as 0.2 into 300 ml. We get 60 millimoles. 60 millimoles. Similarly, Na2SO4. N moles of Na2SO4 is equal to 0.3 into 600 ml. We get 180 millimoles. 180 millimoles. Just see what is asked in the question. From which one concentration of ion, that means concentration of NO3 minus ion will be get and Na plus ion will be get. We have to see. Here, based on these two only, NO3 minus ion will be, concentration will be find. That means here, if you observe the dissociation of AgNO3, we get Ag plus and plus NO3 minus. Here 1 mole of AgNO3 gives 1 mole of NO3 minus. That means 10 millimoles of AgNO3 gives 10 millimoles of NO3 minus. Similarly, 60 millimoles of NaNO3 gives 60 millimoles of NO3 minus. Based on this, 1 mole of AgNO3 gives 1 mole of NO3 minus, means 10 millimoles gives 10 moles of NO3 minus, 60 millimoles gives 60 moles of NO3 minus. Total we get 70 moles of NO3 minus will be get from AgNO3 and NO3 minus. If you observe this 70 moles, that means total moles, we know that total moles is, in question it is given as 100, 300, 600. That means 100 plus 300 plus 600 we get 1000. 1000 moles are given. We get finally 70 molar by 1000 moles. If we observe this as N by V. That means if we get 0.07 molar will be get, molarity will be get. That means the concentration of the concentration of AgNO3 or concentration of NO3 minus will be get from AgNO3 and NaNO3 is 0.07 molar. Similarly, if you observe Na2SO4 from, that means if you observe how many Na plus ion, how much concentration of Na plus ions will be obtained, means here from Na2SO4 Na plus ion will be get, NaNO3 minus Na plus ion will be get. Based on this, you can easily find out the Na plus ion. This is test yourself, students. You try and you will get the benefit of the tricks. You will understand the tricks. If you like this video, please like, subscribe this video. Thank you.